In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a currency converter to your web page using the editor. Let's dive right in and make sure your website visitors have an easy, user-friendly experience when dealing with different currencies. First, open up the editor where you'll be adding your currency converter. You'll notice a menu on the left-hand side, which is where all your essential tools and options are located. Click on Add Elements from this menu. This section is like your toolbox, equipped with various tools and features to enhance your website. Once you're in the Add Elements section, navigate to Store. Here, you can find several features and functionalities that you can incorporate into your site. Among these options, look for the Currency Converter. This tool is crucial for anyone running an international store, as it allows your customers to view prices in the currency they're comfortable with. Now, simply drag and drop the currency converter onto the page where you want it to appear. This action is as straightforward as it sounds. Just click, hold, and drag the converter icon with your mouse to your desired location on the screen. Once you release the mouse button, the converter will be placed exactly where you want it. With the converter now on your page, it's time to configure its settings. Click on the converter to open the settings panel. This step is vital because it allows you to tailor the tool to better fit your needs. Next, navigate to the Currencies tab. You'll find this tab within the Settings menu. Click on the +Add Currency button to select the various currencies you want to be available for your visitors. This customizability is essential for making your store inviting to a global audience. Once you've selected your desired currencies, don't forget to click Save. This action ensures all your selections are properly recorded and activated. Finally, let's make sure the currency converter aligns with the visual appeal of your website. Head over to the Design tab in the settings. This section lets you customize the appearance of your converter to blend seamlessly with your site's existing design. You can adjust the background color, border, fonts, and text color of the converter. Play around with these options until you find a look that complements your brand identity and provides a cohesive experience for your visitors. And there you have it, a fully functional and personalized currency converter added to your website with just a few simple steps. Your international customers will appreciate the added convenience, and you'll enjoy the potential for broader sales. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more tips.